Now, nothing brightens my day like a little bit of chaos magic, so let's go ahead and do that. And we did actually pick up a new compressed instruction here, compressed sub W. So we already had the sub W before. That is the word size subtract register from register. And so now we've got a compressed form. Cool. So the takeaways from this example is that GCC really doesn't want to generate LWUs for whatever reason, and actually neither does Clang. So LWU, that is load word unsigned, you'd think that, utilization, you could simply use, an unsigned int and have some value read in and it would create an LWU. Well, it turns out not to be the case. They really seem to prefer the load words and then just using other assembly instructions that don't operate on the upper bits, and that is equivalent, of course, to a LWU. So what I ultimately found was that when I played this particular game, I could get it to generate the LWU. And the only reason I want to do that is because I want to help you get this checked off your list. And adding to our diagram, we have the LWU here as the missing link between these store word, load word, and the store half word, load half word, which also had a load half word unsigned, and we had the load byte unsigned. So these things, all the same sort of pattern. Store word, load word unsigned. Store half word, load half word unsigned, and the same for bytes. And also we picked up a compressed subtract W as we were here, and then we've got our nice little filled in space that I was reserving just for that.